If you have been waiting for space, natural light, and a cul-de-sac location in Bothell, you are not going to want to miss this. Welcome home. This beautiful 3-bedroom plus den, 2.5 bath, 3,021 square foot home is tucked away on a quiet cul-de-sac in the award-winning Northshore School District, and you are going to love the space and functionality this one offers. Let's check it out. Come on.
As soon as you walk in, you're welcomed by vaulted ceilings, tons of natural light, and an open floor plan that makes everyday living and entertaining feel effortless. The main floor den is perfect for all those work from home, or you can convert this into another bedroom so you have a 4-bedroom. The spacious kitchen features a gas range for all those who love to cook, a huge pantry, and plenty of room to truly be the hostess with the mostest when friends and family come over. You'll also appreciate the large main laundry room, and just check out those custom shelves right there, and a 2-car garage with built-in storage. Upstairs, okay, you'll find a great sized bedroom, and check out this large bonus room. So this is perfectly situated between the 2 secondary bedrooms. This space is ideal for movie nights or game nights. Do I hear categories or Uno? The shared bathroom is thoughtfully designed for convenience with an extra door so someone can shower while the other one brushes their teeth. And now, the primary suite. Holy space! There's so much natural light in here and so much room for activities. The ensuite bath features dual vanities, check it out, a huge soaking tub, and a large custom tile shower. And just take a look at this walk-in closet. Do I see a custom closet system in your future?
This home is truly turnkey, and it's ready for you to start making new memories in it. And let's talk location, because this one is going to be hard to beat. You're just minutes from downtown Kenmore and Bothell for restaurants, shopping, and everyday conveniences. And for all my outdoor lovers, you've got quick access to the Burt Gilman Trail for biking, running, and enjoying that Pacific Northwest lifestyle. If you've been searching for a home that truly gives you space to live, entertain, and grow, this could be the one. Homes like this don't come along every day, so schedule a private tour today, and I would love to show you around.